Long time. Beautiful little car. Don't look bad, eh? Isn't there? Oh, I didn't try the brakes. Really? Oh,
I'm not going down there, am I?
oh, fuck me. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Seals. It'll be the Seals one doing them, won't it?
You sell it now, you see. I bet you get more money for it covered in dust.
I was thinking about taking it up to that auction house. Julian sold his there, did he?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a bad nick, is it? The only dent in it, some idiot that was helping me clean the garage out put a dent in one of these wings has got a dent. Yeah, but apart from that, it runs bang on. Quite to pokey though, isn't it? Feel a little, I mean, consider it's not even cleaned out.